Hello, everyone. I just want you all to know that don't forget about tomorrow. They say around 11:20, FEMA is conducting an emergency alert system, and they said very, very, very loud alarms will go off on every single body's cell phone, even if it's on silent. The alarm bells will go off, I think they say it's going to last for at least 1 to 2 minutes or something like that. But FEMA is doing the emergency alert test tomorrow. So don't forget, around 11 to 20 tomorrow, all the cell phones will have this very, very, very loud sound. And they're just doing the testing services. Just want to keep you all informed. Okay, love you guys. Bye-bye.